If you want to know how to launch itch.io games, whether it is a browser game or a downloaded game, you are in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through both methods step by step so you can get into your game without any confusion. And before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides just like this. Now, let's get into it. First, let's talk about browser games on itch.io. These are the easiest to launch because you do not need to install anything extra. Open your web browser and go to itch.io. Once you are on the Games page, look for the Run Game button. Clicking Run Game will launch the game directly in your browser, and in most cases, it will start loading right away. If the game takes a moment to open, just give it a few seconds, especially if it has a larger file size or needs to load assets. Now let's move on to downloaded games, which work a little differently. If you downloaded a game from itch.io, first go to the folder where the game was downloaded and extracted. This is usually the folder you saved it in, or the one created after you unzip the download. Inside that folder, look for the .exe file. This is the executable file that starts the game on Windows. Once you find the .exe file, double-click it to open the game. After that, the game should launch normally. If Windows asks for permission or shows a security prompt, you may need to click Run or Yes to continue. If nothing happens when you double-click the file, make sure you are opening the correct executable and not a shortcut, text file, or installer. Also, if the game is inside a compressed folder, be sure to extract it first before trying to run it. That is one of the most common reasons itch.io games do not open properly. So to quickly recap, browser games on itch.io can be launched by opening the game page and clicking Run Game, while downloaded games need you to open the extracted folder and double-click the .exe file. It's a simple process once you know which type of game you have. And if you ever get stuck, just check whether the game is meant to run in the browser or as a downloaded file, because that will tell you exactly what to do next. I hope this helped you launch your itch.io game successfully. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.